Hey, this is Rabia Khalid with kitchen utensils today, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. The first one is cooker, which is called the same in Urdu. Second comes knife, which is churi in Urdu. And there comes frying pan, which is called kadahi in Urdu. Then there comes a cutting board, which is called sabziyon ke liye cutting board in Urdu. Then here comes rolling pin, which is belan. Then there is juicer machine, and the same in Urdu as well. Then there is salt shaker, which is called namakdani in Urdu. Then grater, which is called kaddukash in Urdu. After that there is a spoon, which means chamach in Urdu. Then there come teapot, which is called chai ka bartan. After that there is apron. Apron means bawarchi khane ka tehband. Then at the end there is a bowl, which is called katora as well.